Hello everyone, in this video, I will be explaining the overall review of TedsWoodWorking. The first thing you need to know about TedsWoodWorking is that this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website in the description of this video. TedsWoodWorking is a guide for people to understand woodworking projects. This course helps beginners develop into professional woodworkers. There are approximately 16,000 woodworking programs in this course. Throughout the program, it provides users with a step-by-step guide for better understanding. They also offer a variety of diagrams, videos, images, and animated illustrations. Anyone can develop their skills and learn new things by properly following Ted's woodworking lessons. Ted's woodworking schedule has several projects scheduled. They provide detailed and practical instructions that anyone can follow easily. It also includes projects designed for your home, office, shop, or garden. This course is the most practical program on the market today. Ted's Woodworking can also be downloaded and viewed on any digital device. Who is behind the Ted's Woodworking? The man behind this fantastic innovation is Ted McGrath. He is a teacher, trainer, and author. In addition to this, he is an excellent woodworker. He wanted to use his years of experience on something useful. So he thought of Ted's Woodworking. Its main goal is to help beginners develop their skills and progress in woodworking. He has spent nearly 2.5 years collecting and arranging woodworking programs for wood enthusiasts around the world. How does Ted's Woodworking work? Ted's Woodworking is a guide to help you navigate the different programs and projects. It has different types of items with different levels of difficulty. However, since these are detailed instructions, it shouldn't be difficult for anyone to follow them. They also offer plans in different categories. You need to choose a category and follow the instructions. They provide illustrations to help you properly understand the structure of your project. Ted's Woodworking will help you gain practical knowledge. Most people have difficulty doing projects because they can't find the right materials. Without the proper materials, it can be difficult to perform tasks correctly. But the good news is that Ted's Woodworking has a guide that includes the perfect cut material for any project. So you don't have to run from store to store looking for a defective device. This is the best part of this course. Another distinguishing feature of this course is that there are projects from different categories. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an expert. There are simple designs and detailed designs. Which plan you choose is up to you. We can assure you that the results will surprise you. For anyone whose latest adventure is woodworking, Ted's Woodworking is for you. Not only can you learn new things, but you can also improve your existing woodworking skills. Can everyone benefit from Ted's Woodworking program? Yes, of course they can. Ted's Woodworking class is not a boring old class. It offers far more than you can imagine. It is the best option for those who are just starting out in woodworking. Ted's Woodworking is a great course for keen learners with woodworking skills. It has a variety of plans and projects in different categories that can help you create beautiful woodwork for your home or office. Do you have a lot of unused wood in your garden? Tired of finding ways to use it? Well, Ted's Woodworkers might have a solution. This course offers projects that can be made using recycled wood. A lot of us store unused wood, thinking that it might be of use someday. Well, here's the solution then. The best part of Ted's Woodworking is that you can hone your woodworking skills at the comfort of your home. Most courses require a working station or workshop. But you can easily create unique furniture in your home. To help you get through this course, Ted's Woodworking detailed diagrams and illustrations. They will help you understand better. This package also includes a step-by-step manual, essential woodworking tools, and suitable materials for special projects. The best feature of the Ted's Woodworking program is the diversity it provides among its users. The difficulty level of the plans ranges from simple to detailed ones. So, it doesn't matter if you're learning from scratch or if you are an expert, TedsWoodWorking will be the best choice for you. TedsWoodWorking program is more detailed than other programs. It has 16,000 woodworking plans to choose from, and they are from various categories. The instructions are also clear, so you will be successful in completing your project. One of the best features of TedsWoodWorking is the affordability. Most woodworking programs are expensive, but TedsWoodWorking courses have a very reasonable price. It only costs $67. Besides this package, there are also discounts for different packages. These digital programs have additional bonus packages as well. Now for the refund policy, you can get a full refund if you are not satisfied with the TedsWoodWorking program. Buyers have the right to demand a refund in case of any distortion or damage. I really hope this video helped you. I left the link to the official website in the description of this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, it will be a pleasure to help you.